ma'am, yesterday Pallavi said double tracking they required.
They require.
Yeah, BJP is required.
How can such a statement be made when we know that double tracking is going to throw people out of their homes? People are going to be on the road. How can this be called development when the environment is going to be polluted to such an extent that our water bodies will be destroyed, life in the water bodies will be destroyed, the health of people, the villagers will be destroyed. Can this be termed as development, something that is so disastrous, something that goes totally against the people of the area? I think first we have to understand the meaning of the word development. What is development? Development is something that improves the standard of life of the people, not something that causes disaster in the lives of the people. And the double track, the South Western Railway double track is definitely a disastrous project. And it is precisely for this reason that the CEC of the Supreme Court, after verifying on the ground, said that there was no need of the second track, that the existing facilities were enough to handle even the growth, whatever the coal that is extra coal that is going to be brought or is being brought to Mormugao from Australia. Another important question that I would like to ask the government: where is the coal landing? The coal is to land at Bareilly in Karnataka. If that is so, why is the coal not being carried through Karnataka when Karnataka has more ports than Goa? Goa has only one port, Mormugao port, while Karnataka has got 12 minor ports and one major port. So Karnataka has 13 ports. It has ample facility to transport the coal to Bareilly, which is also in Karnataka. Why this purpose? To destroy Goa, to disrupt the lives of the people of Goa and to kill Goa, because eventually coal dust pollution will have Goans dying eventually. Okay, this cannot be done. The other day, just a few days back, my friend's house in Wellsound, the lady who works there, she came with fish, and as she was cleaning the fish, she opened the operculum over the gills, and she found black substance under operculum. What was that black substance? Many people came and they tried to look at it, and we realized it is nothing but coal dust that was collecting on the gills of the fish under the operculum. The same thing will happen to our bodies. We'll be breathing in coal, and coal will be in our lungs, causing all kinds of lung disorders, heart problems. No, we cannot allow this. I would like to know from the government of Goa whether the government of Goa has carried out an environmental impact assessment. Has that been done? It is the responsibility of the government to do that. Has the government done that? No. Has the government carried out a survey to find out how many houses are going to be destroyed? I have been on the tracks. Where is the track? Second track landing. The second track landing is landing on the gate of some houses, inside the compound of some houses, on the veranda of some houses. Will the owners of these houses be able to live in their homes? They will be on the streets. Is this development? For whose benefit? No. We need the people of Goa and the people of South Goa are very, very upset because they feel that they have been betrayed by the government. Okay? And now we have put forward two of our very strong candidates so that these questions relating to these destructive projects will be asked in the Lok Sabha.
Madam, you also was in the BJP, and especially the double tracking was happened where you are in the BJP at your second term. So it was difficult for you the government to listen you about being you are in the party.
The government never listened to me. Because I did everything. I took the Honorable Chief Minister on the tracks. Okay, he saw everything. He appeared to be shocked, but he did nothing. Then we brought the then Environment Minister, Mr. Nilesh Kabra. He walked the entire track and he said, this is serious. And then I asked him, let's sit down and discuss this. And you know what he said? Yes, we have to discuss, but there is no time today. I will give you a date. And he never gave a date. Because they cannot face the truth. The truth about this project that is going to destroy.
So this was one of the reasons you left BJP?
Precisely. This is the reason why I left BJP. Because how can I support a government that is working against the state that I belong to? This cannot happen. So I had to leave. Yes. I had to leave. And I had the people of Goa telling me, get out.
But why you left AAP party? Then you joined AAP and left.
Unfortunately, I don't have much against AAP party, but I felt that AAP party was not interested in taking up these serious issues of the double track. Okay, diversion of Madai is another important issue. Madai is our only freshwater river. Okay. Did we place Madai in the state of Goa? No. The Creator has placed Madai in Goa. It has its, what should I say, opening in the state of Goa. Why can we divert Madai to Karnataka? What about drinking water for the people of Goa? So are we supposed to die of thirst? I think that's what the government is planning. Okay? And another injustice. Why I call this an injustice? Because Karnataka has got 8 freshwater rivers, while Goa has only 1 freshwater river, which was Madai. How can this river be diverted to Karnataka? The government has to answer this to the people of Goa.